Hello everyone, I'm again here with Rushda's Food Corner. Hope you all are fine and enjoying my videos and recipes. Please tell me in comment box about my videos. Today I have come up with another delicious recipe and this recipe is chicken pulao. So let me start making it. Ingredients that we need are, first of all we need chicken. I have taken 1 kg chicken, 2 tomatoes, 2 onions, as per taste salt. I have taken 1 tablespoon of salt, 4 tablespoon of garlic and 2 tablespoon of green chili. I have freezed both of them. First of all, take a cooking pot and put all the chicken in it. And now add half cup of water in it also, so that we can start cooking it. Turn the flame on and keep it to medium. After that, put all other things in it also, like onions, tomatoes, green chili and garlic. Now mix all the things very well and add salt also. Now mix all the things and cook it on medium flame. Like this. After 10 minutes on low flame, put the lid on and leave for 15 minutes. Check the condition of chicken after 15 minutes. It is completely cooked and you can see that the water is dry too. It is cooked. After cooking, now it's time for broiling of chicken. For broiling we need 1 onion. As per taste salt, I have taken 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of red chili, half cup of oil, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of crushed red chili. Now one by one add all these things into chicken, like oil, then add red chili. You can add red chili as per taste. Turmeric. Red crushed chili. All these spices are used to enhance the taste of it. Now start mixing it with spoon and mix it carefully so that the pieces of chicken don't break. Broil it for 10 to 15 minutes till chicken separates oil from it, like this. As you are watching, oil is separated from chicken. After broiling, now it's time to prepare tempering or tadka for rice. And for tadka we need 1 onion, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/3 cup oil, 6 glass of water, 3 glass of rice and some spices. Spices include cinnamon, cumin, bay leaf and black pepper. Now take a pan and put all the oil in it. and all the spices too. And on medium flame cook the spices for 2 to 3 minutes. Like this. Cook these spices well. They have now started cooking and you can notice beautiful aroma of spices now. At this time add onion in it and cook it till they get dark brown in color to give rice brown color. Cook it like that on medium flame. They have now turned into beautiful brown color. Now add some water in it so that the color is mixed with water. Now put all this mixture in chicken and mix it well and cook it once again for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. Mix all these things like this. After that put water in chicken and turn the flame to high. Now it's time to put rice in it. Carefully add rice in it and don't mix it too much so that it will break the rice. Mix it gently. When maximum water is dry and a little is left, put the lid on and leave it for 15 minutes on very low flame. After 15 minutes, uncover the rice and check the condition of it. They are fully cooked. Now mix them carefully. I have dished them out. They are looking so beautiful and tasty. Now serve them with salad and raita. I hope you like my recipe. Give me your feedback in comment box. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.